How to post long videos on WhatsApp status on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to post long videos on WhatsApp status, you will have to download a third-party application as WhatsApp only allows users to post a minute-long video for status. So open App Store and search for Tix Easy Video Splitter. Download the application and then launch the application. You will see two options. Tap on Split Video. Now select the video you want to post. Choose how do you want to split the video and then choose by how many seconds do you want to split each part. Once done, tap on Split. You will receive a pop-up. You can avoid watermark on the video by watching a short video ad or by redeeming Tix coins from the reward section under Settings. You can tap on Watch Ad to remove watermark, or you can simply tap on Proceed. Your video is splitted and is all set to be posted now. Tap on the Share All option and now select the option for WhatsApp. Here tap on My Status and tap on Next. And now tap on the arrow button, and this is how you can post long videos on WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.